Grabe guys, challenge ang challenge. Andin sa loob. Challenge sa ang paggawa ng tent. Nakaka-stress. Ready na? Ha?
Nagre-record na.
Ready na?
Nagre-record na!
Ah, okay yan. We're putting tables in the bag. Because it's too windy here. We will put this. Ano ba tawag dito? Kaya bakit naglalagay nito? Para bibigay pa rin yung tent. Kasi ano siya, pabigat namin siya sa tent kasi windy. Para hindi pa rin sa tent. So, I'm putting these 4 bags of tables. And then we will make the tent. Wala bang plastic bag? Meron pa. Oh my God. So, this is really cool. Umulan kanina. Where is our tent there, Cedric? We don't know how to make the tent. Bigat mo nga din. Unang ulit sa yan. Ano ba? 12 midnight. 12 midnight already.
Kano po bayad ko?
12 midnight already. At saka ang lamig na guys. Patingin nga. Patingin mo nga sa akin. Hi guys, I'm putting tables in a plastic bag. Because it's windy here inside. Yeah, this one is heavy already. Ilalagay namin sa tent para hindi siya tanggalin ng hangin. And after we will make the tent, it's 12 midnight here in South City. Wala sa kanina. More than half? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's wet. Cedric, mamaya na magbukas ng kamay pagtapos na tayo mag-tent. Let's start doing the tent now. Ah, hindi na makapag-gloves. Naghalukay na ako. This is our area. This is our tent and sleeping bag here. Cedric, oh please. Get our bags. You don't need to wear gloves. Magka-gloves pa talaga siya, oh.
Siyempre magkagawa na ng tent.
Siya daw ang gagawa ng tent eh. Kasi ako nang naghaluma. Late na. And get the bags. It's full of pebbles. Put it here. Ha? Cedric is here is oh.
Yan, Cedric, ipaplat mo yan. Transmit.
Lagyan mo muna yung stick, be.
Lagyan mo muna ng ano, para hindi matupad.
Ha? Ah, okay.
Sa gitna. Sa gitna. Sandali lang. Itutusok dito, maeki. Susundan mo yan. Ito, nga nandiyan dyan yan. Saan ba yan?
Set, ano, paano?
Set ba yung tuturo ko lang sa inyo para maturo.
Oh, hindi. We have no idea how to make a tent. Hawakan mo, Seth. Lumilipad-lipad eh.
Kaya, hanapin mo yung, ano, lagyan mo muna.
Okay.
Itatama mo rito hanggang makarating diyan sa dulo. Ay! Tapos,
Ayan guys, may ilaw kami. Nandito na kami sa loob ng tent ni Cedric eh. Ito yung aming sleeping bag. Yan, ready ko lang. And guys, we're here inside the tent.
Sige,
Meron
vlog
kang
pa.
kami guys. We're here inside the tent. Ayan ang aming light. Ayan si Ced, sleeping bag. Sleeping bag siya. Ako naman dito lang. Ayan ang aking unan. Isa lang kasi sleeping bag namin. And so look, it's very windy.
Disclaimer, siya ang pumili ng Hello Kitty.
Yan ang tent namin. Okay. First experience. Yan, tent namin, no? Galaw ng galaw. Ito, naka-sleeping bag siya, eh. Ay, ayan, guys. Guys, dumating kami rito is, I think, dumating kami is 11:30 and now it's 12. What time is it said? And dumating kami rito is 12 midnight and now it's 2 a.m. We're inside the tent now. And then experience first time. It's 2 o'clock now. It's 2 a.m. now. And we're going to sleep. So we have energy for tomorrow. I see you guys. Good night. Yun yung tent namin.